Boy, that last thing is a little bit hard to top. Well, good morning. My name is Stephen McKeon, and I'm the CEO of Billshark. Billshark is a bill reduction platform. Our purpose is to lower consumer and small business bills through cancellation, negotiation, and curated shopping. I'm wondering here in this room, how many of you have tried to cancel those nettlesome monthly subscriptions, and even after you cancel them, they still show up in your credit card month after month? That's really frustrating. Millions of consumers deal with this in the United States every single year. Well, thankfully, Billshark has built a low-touch cancellation service that we've added onto our API over the last year. We have a number of banks and fintechs that are integrating into our service, and today we're very proud to have our partner, HiCharlie, demonstrate the integration that they've done, both for negotiations and cancellations. I'm very honored to welcome Ivo, the founder of HiCharlie. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Steve. Charlie is a personal finance advisor unlike any other. For starters, well, he's a penguin. A little penguin with a big personality. He's quirky, but very friendly and eager to help the vast majority of us who want to be better with money, but don't know where to start. Charlie is smart, but he'll never overwhelm you with spreadsheets, data tables, or even charts. Instead, he sends you simple, timely, actionable advice over Facebook Messenger or SMS. So there is no app. You just text with Charlie. Now, I've already set up my account on Facebook Messenger, and Charlie has helped me stay on top of my monthly budget. He's also given me great tips on ways to save across all of my spending. For example, he gave me a great deal on car insurance, shopping rebates, and even discounted gift cards for Starbucks. Let's see if we can tackle something really big and scary today, like my monthly bills.
Yep.
OK, Charlie seems to think that I'm paying way too much for my cell phone plan. So sure, let's take a look at it. Here's a live savings estimate coming from Billshark's API. Looks like if I get my bill renegotiated, I'll save $22 a month. It really adds up. I have some other options as well. Let's check them out. Well, here's Billshark right on top. I can also switch to another low-cost provider, or I can just cancel outright. But I want to stay with Verizon. I like what I have. I just want to get a better deal. So let's try Billshark. To unleash the sharks on Verizon, the first thing I need to do is submit some basic demographic information. Well, Charlie has it all for me already, so that's a breeze. Next up, we have to pick a payment method that's also in already, so we move right along. Finally, we have to make sure we have everything right. So, OK, this is Verizon Wireless we're talking about. And here, if I put in my Verizon credentials, Billshark will pull all the information about my bill straight from Verizon. But I don't even need to do that. I can just submit as is, and the sharks will figure it out. And drum roll, that's it. At this point, Billshark will keep Charlie up to date on the renegotiation progress, and I'll know what's happening at all times. But let's see if there's anything else we can do. I have so many bills. Here's my rent, car payments, insurances. Ooh, Hulu. Well, I haven't used Hulu in a long time. Maybe we can just cancel it outright.
Yeah.
With Billshark, that's going to take a second. Now that my information is in, I just have to pick a cancellation date. Today is as good as any. And we're done again. That was, what, 2 bills in about 2 minutes? Pretty good rate.
I think you're going to save a couple of $100 a year in just a couple of minutes there.
That's right. Well, listen, speaking of things that come in twos, I hope you take 2 main kind of takeaways from my talk today. Number 1, messaging really works. We find that folks who stumble upon the opportunity to reduce their bills, say on this bills page, which kind of looks like an app, are 3 times less likely to actually do anything about it compared to people who get prompted to do it by Charlie in messaging. So these simple nudges really work. They drive action. And that's what we really want. Charlie doesn't want you stressing about money. He wants you to do something, take action, feel good, and move on. That's point number one. And point number two, Billshark is really serious about partnerships. It's been a pleasure working with you, Steve. This deep product integration that you saw is driving terrific engagement and retention. So please do stop by our respective booths today. Steve would love to tell you about Billshark partnership opportunities.
Yeah.
And I'd love to tell you why Charlie is the future interface to your wallet. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ivo. So, guys, again, thank you so much for getting to know a little bit more about Billshark and Hi Charlie today. Ivo is going to be here all day, and we're going to be here for the next few days at our booth, and we look forward to meeting and talking with you guys. Thank you, and have a wonderful show.